How to do video blocks in Squarespace. In order to do that, first head over to your Squarespace editor and then locate wherever you want to add that video block. For example, let's add it right here. So let me just input that like this and head over and then click on any blank part. Click onto this add block. And then from in there under the basic, you can already see the video block. So just drag and drop it onto any blank part of the section that you have chosen. Now the video block has been added. You just need to edit it. In order to do so, click on this pencil icon. And then in here, you have the options added video with 30 minutes maximum. Click on this added video option. Now in here, you can upload a file, select from library, or add from link of YouTube or Vimeo. So on my case, let me head over and then just select from library. I have in here my library, and if you have no files, you have the option to add in here some more. Let me head over and upload in here a file. Let's add in here this and click on open. And then after that, that video will be uploaded like this. You can just wait for this to finish. And once it's done uploading, you can see in here that the video storage will actually diminish by the minutes that has been added. So technically this video is only a minute, so it's actually expected to have a video storage of 28 minutes left or around 29 minutes left. You can customize into a featured image. You have the option to mute the video, loop it, and also enable all player controls. You can also add description if you would want. Once it's done uploading, it should actually be able to be seen right here into your editor. So that's how you do video blocks in Squarespace. Hope we helped.